Want extra income without burning out after your 9-5? Here are 5 side hustles that won't drain your energy. Hustle 1. Digital product templates. You already have something people want: a Notion planner, a simple resume design, a budgeting sheet. What you don't realize is, people are buying this stuff every day on Gumroad, Etsy, even WhatsApp. Create it once, upload, done. No packaging, no shipping, no boss yelling at you. It's not magic, but it's income that flows even when you sleep. Hustle 2. Print on demand. Ever had a funny quote in your head? Na small or soft life only. That could be a t-shirt. With Printful or Teespring, you just upload a design. They print, they ship, you get paid. No stock, no stress. One design today could make you money next week. It's slow at first, but then the orders trickle in. Hustle 3. Fiverr gigs. Look, you don't need to be a pro designer, but can you proofread? Type fast, create simple flyers? Fiverr pays you for that. You create a profile, you post your gig, you wait, yes, but when that order drops, 10,000 naira for 2 hours of focused work is real. One weekend gig could fuel your data, food, even rent. Hustle 4. Affiliate marketing. Love Canva? Use Notion? Budget with an app? You can earn just by sharing your link. It's called affiliate marketing, and no, it's not techie. You share a product you use. If someone clicks and signs up, you get paid. No customer service, no drama, just link, share, earn. Hustle 5. YouTube shorts or TikTok. Don't want to talk on camera? No problem. Post short tips, book quotes, productivity hacks, money tips. You don't need to go viral, just be consistent. One good video can grow your account. 10 videos can open doors. None of these side hustles are instant cash machines, but they work if you're patient. This isn't about hustle culture. This is about building quiet income that fits your tired, real life. Pick one. Start small. Let it grow. Because it's not about doing more. It's about doing smarter. Subscribe for real talk. Smart tips. Zero hype. Just honest money moves for real people.